Today, we're diving back into the 115 manufacturing machines for mass production. We're exploring the manufacturing industry for personal hygiene, recycling, printing, textile, building materials, and the paper industry. Get ready for a quick tour of the amazing technology shaping our everyday lives. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Cosmetic Manufacturing Industry. 57. Tube filling and sealing machines. These machines pack various products in tubes, including creams, gels, lotions, and ointments. Filling capacities may range from a few hundred tubes per hour to thousands of tubes per hour. It can handle different types of tubes, including plastic, laminate, and aluminum tubes. 58. Emulsifying machines. Assist in creating stable emulsions for products like moisturizers and serums. The emulsification process involves mixing the oil and water phases together to create a stable blend. 59. Powder press machines. These machines are used for compacting and shaping powdered cosmetics, like eyeshadows and blushes. 60. Bottle and jar cleaning machines. Automatic bottle and jar cleaning machines ensure containers are clean and sanitized before filling with cosmetic products. Proper cleaning ensures the removal of contaminants and residues, maintaining product quality and safety. 61. Bottle labeling machines. These machines are crucial for ensuring proper branding, product identification, and compliance with labeling regulations. Bottle labeling machines use different methods to apply labels, including pressure-sensitive adhesive, PSA labels, shrink sleeves, and more. 62. Perfume filling machines. Perfume filling machines are designed to provide precise filling accuracy to ensure that each bottle contains the correct amount of fragrance. These machines are essential for achieving precise fill volumes, reducing product waste, and ensuring the quality of the final product. Let's move into the personal hygiene industry. 63. Diaper manufacturing machines. These machines are used in the production of disposable diapers, including machines for core assembly, leg cuff application, and packaging. 64. Sanitary pad manufacturing machines. These machines are used for the production of sanitary napkins, including core forming, shaping, and packaging machines. 65. Toothbrush manufacturing machines. These are automated equipment for toothbrush assembly, bristle cutting, and packaging. 66. Razor manufacturing machines. Used in the production of disposable razors, including blade assembly and handle attachment. 67. Soap and detergent manufacturing equipment. Includes mixing, extrusion, and packaging machines for soap bars and liquid detergents. 68. Wet wipe manufacturing machines. These are a series of equipment for manufacturing wet wipes for personal hygiene and cleaning purposes. These units typically include wet wipes making machines and wet wipes packaging machines. The entire operation is seamlessly controlled by a CPU and PLC system. These units are capable of high-capacity production, with the ability to manufacture up to 1,500 wipes per pack and achieve impressive packaging speeds of 100 packs per minute. Next, we're going into the recycling industry. In the recycling industry, a variety of machines and equipment are used to process and recycle different materials. Here are some common machines and equipment found in the recycling industry. 69. Shredders. Shredders are used to break down materials into smaller pieces, making them easier to process. They are used for shredding plastics, paper, cardboard, and other materials. 70. Balers. Balers are used to compact and bundle recyclable materials into manageable sizes. There are different types of balers for materials like cardboard, paper, plastics, and metals. 71. Sorting equipment. Automated sorting equipment, such as conveyor belts and optical sorters, are used to separate recyclables by material type. This ensures efficient sorting of materials like glass, plastics, and metals. 72. Compactors. Compactors are used to compress recyclable materials into dense blocks or baileys for easier storage and transportation. 73. Magnetic separators. Magnetic separators are used to separate ferrous metals from non-ferrous materials in recycling processes. 74. Eddy current separators. Eddy current separators are used to remove non-ferrous metals, such as aluminum and copper, from mixed materials. 75. Glass crushers. Glass crushers break down glass bottles into smaller pieces, which can then be recycled into new glass products. 76. Plastic granulators. Plastic granulators are used to break down plastic materials into small granules, which can be melted and molded into new plastic products. 77. Waste-to-energy equipment. Some recycling facilities use waste-to-energy equipment to convert non-recyclable waste into energy through incineration or other processes. 78. Trommels. Trommel screens are used for sorting and classifying materials by size. They are commonly used in recycling facilities to separate materials like paper, cardboard, and plastics. 79. Composting equipment. Composting equipment, such as compost turners and grinders, is used to process organic waste into compost, which can be used for soil enrichment. 80. Metal briquetting machines. These machines compact metal shavings and chips into briquettes for easier handling and recycling. 81. Oil filter crushers. Used in automotive recycling, oil filter crushers extract oil and compact filters for recycling. .82. Hazardous waste disposal equipment. Specialized equipment is used for the safe disposal and recycling of hazardous materials and chemicals. Next, printing industry. 83. Offset printing presses. Offset printing is one of the most widely used printing methods for high-quality, large-volume printing. Offset presses transfer ink from a plate to a rubber blanket and then onto the printing surface. They are versatile and can handle various substrates, including paper, cardboard, and more. 84. Digital printers. Digital printers have revolutionized the printing industry by enabling high-quality, short-run, and variable data printing. They use digital files to produce printed materials directly, eliminating the need for traditional printing plates. 85. Screen printing machines. Screen printing machines use a mesh screen to transfer ink onto a substrate. They are commonly used for printing on textiles, promotional products, signage, and more. Screen printing is known for its durability and vibrant colors. 86. Flexographic printing presses. Flexographic printing is ideal for printing on packaging materials, labels, and flexible substrates. Flexo presses use flexible printing plates and are capable of high-speed production. 87. Digital large format printers. Large format printers are used to produce graphics and signage for various applications, including advertising, trade shows, and displays. They can handle a wide range of substrates and offer high-resolution output. Let's move on to the textile industry. 88. Spinning machines. Spinning machines are used to convert raw fibers, such as cotton, wool, or synthetic fibers, into yarns. There are different types of spinning machines, including ring spinning and open-end spinning machines. 89. Weaving looms. Weaving looms are used to create woven fabrics by interlacing warp and weft threads. Various types of looms, such as shuttle looms, rapier looms, and airjet looms, are used for different fabric types. 90. Knitting machines. Knitting machines are used to produce knitted fabrics and garments. These machines can be categorized as circular knitting machines, flat knitting machines, and warp knitting machines. 91. Dyeing machines. Dyeing machines are used to apply color to fabrics or yarns. These machines can be used for dyeing natural or synthetic fibers, and they come in various configurations, including jet dyeing machines and beam dyeing machines. 92. Finishing machines. Finishing machines are used to enhance the properties of fabrics, such as softening, sizing, and calendaring. Machines like stenter frames and compactor machines are used for fabric finishing. 93. Embroidery machines. Embroidery machines are used to create intricate designs and patterns on textiles. Computerized embroidery machines allow for precise and detailed embroidery work. 94. Quilting machines. Quilting machines are used to stitch together multiple layers of fabric with padding in between to create quilts and bedspreads. Next, the building materials industry. In the building materials industry, various machines and equipment are used for the production and processing of construction materials. Here are some common machines and equipment found in the building materials industry. 95. Mixing machines. Mixing machines are used to blend various materials, such as cement, aggregates, and water, to produce concrete and mortar. Types of mixing machines include batch mixers and continuous mixers. 96. Concrete batching plants. These plants automate the process of batching and mixing concrete ingredients, ensuring consistency and accuracy in construction projects. 97. Cement silos. Cement silos are used to store bulk quantities of cement to ensure a steady supply for construction activities. 98. Concrete pumps. Concrete pumps are used to transport liquid concrete from the mixing plant to construction sites, facilitating the placement of concrete in various locations. 99. Block making machines. Block making machines are used to produce concrete blocks, bricks, and other masonry units used in construction. For 100. Tile making machines. Tile making machines are used to manufacture various types of tiles, including ceramic, porcelain, and concrete tiles used for flooring and wall cladding. 101. Roofing sheet roll. Forming machines. These machines are used to produce roofing sheets and panels made of metal or other materials. 102. Rebar bending and cutting machines. Rebar bending and cutting machines are used to process steel reinforcement bars used in concrete construction, ensuring they meet specific dimensions and shapes. 103. Construction lifting equipment. Equipment such as cranes, hoists, and elevators are used to lift and transport heavy building materials and equipment to different levels of construction sites. 104. Concrete vibrators. Concrete vibrators are used to remove air bubbles from poured concrete, ensuring better compaction and strength. 105. Stone cutting machines. Stone cutting machines are used to shape and cut natural and artificial stone materials for various construction applications. 106. Asphalt plants. Asphalt plants are used to produce asphalt concrete used for road construction and surfacing. Next, we go on to the paper industry. In the paper industry, a wide range of machines and equipment is used for the production of paper and paper products. Here are some common machines and equipment found in the paper industry. 107. Pulp mills. Pulp mills are used to convert wood chips, recycled paper, or other raw materials into pulp, which is the primary ingredient for paper production. These mills include chemical pulping and mechanical pulping processes. 108. Paper machines. Paper machines are large and complex systems used to form, press, dry, and finish paper sheets. They consist of various sections, including the head box, wire section, press section, drying section, and reel section. 109. Paper converting machines. Converting machines are used to process paper rolls into various end products, such as tissue paper, packaging materials, and printing paper. Types of converting machines include slitters, rewinders, and sheet cutters. 110. Printing presses. Printing presses are used for the printing of newspapers, magazines, books, and other printed materials on paper. Types of printing presses include offset presses, digital printers, and flexographic presses. 111. Paper coating machines. Coating machines apply coatings to paper surfaces to enhance print quality, brightness, and gloss. Coated papers are commonly used in high-quality printing applications. 112. Paper bag making machines. These machines are used to produce paper bags for packaging purposes. They are commonly used in the packaging and retail industries. 113. Paper folding machines. Folding machines are used to fold paper sheets into specific configurations for brochures, flyers, and other printed materials. 114. Paper creasing and perforating machines. Creasing and perforating machines create folds and perforations in paper for ease of tearing or folding. 115. Paper embossing machines. Embossing machines create raised or recessed patterns on paper surfaces for decorative and branding purposes. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and subscribe.